Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2022 Silverado 2500HD. This vehicle is powered by a 8-cylinder, 6.6-liter engine and comes with an automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: 4-wheel drive, trailer brake controller, fog lamps. Inside you'll find Sirius XM radio, steering wheel audio controls, cruise control, power outlet, Bose sound system, center console, floor mats. This pickup truck pulls unlike any other. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.